हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैक्नोटेक यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज आप देखने वाले हैं सॉलिडवर्क प्रैक्टिस पार्ट नंबर 9। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अ प्रैक्टिस। लेट्स सिलेक्ट अ फ्रंट प्लेन, select a line and let's draw okay, let's give the dimensions. So here from this line to this line it is 56, then this height is 18, then this is escape, this is 6, this is 12, and this is also 12, and in between 32. Okay, so okay, feature extruded boss base. So let's select from the mid plane and give the dimension total 75, enter. Okay, so next step is select front plane again, sketch and normal to, and from here draw an inclined line, and from here okay. Now let's give the dimension. So total length from this line to this point is 100, and from this line is 36, and this height is 25, then total height from here to 63. Okay, now all the lines are in a defined condition. Okay, so feature, and when you give the extrude boss base, friends, this line we have not draw this line, so here reverse direction to close the sketch means we have to draw this line. Okay, but it will directly select when we click the yes. Okay, so yes, and it is directly selected. Okay, so let's select from the mid plane and 12 mm. Okay, and click OK. So friends, you can see this kind of object, and let's draw a circle in this plane, sketch normal to, and draw a circle from this center, and let's draw the another circle. Right click, select, give the dimension. So outer side circle having the diameter of 36, and inner side circle having a diameter 22, and you can see this both circle is in this plane. So okay, then feature extrude boss base and reverse direction, give the dimension 25, and okay. Now friends, this extra material that we have to remove. So here So here select this plane and sketch normal 2 and draw this circle over here and right click OK, and then feature extrude cut and through all OK. So this is object. Now let's draw 2 more circle over here. So select this plane, sketch, and 1 circle here and 1 circle here. Let's give the dimension. So from this line it is 28 and OK, escape, and smart dimension from this point to this point it's 15 and OK, and select this 2 plane in a 2 center as a vertical. OK, and again smart dimension, and distance between these 2 is 45. OK, OK, feature extruded cut and OK. So by this way you can see, and also we can give the color appearance. Let's select color for the whole part. OK, so this way we can draw this object. So I hope you like this tutorial. So अगर आपको ये ट्यूटोरियल अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत.